So, Daddy, what's happening?
I sneezed, and so now Noelle is trying to impersonate what a daddy sneeze looks like.
Show me. How does Daddy sneeze?
What does it do? What does it look like?
Do that again.
Is that what Daddy does when he sneezes?
Daddy sneeze? Daddy sneeze. That's really silly.
Because at first I thought she was like allergic to something in the bathtub. But she was doing that. But then I realized it was whenever she felt like doing it. Oh, is your bathtub starting to get a little cold?
Hi, cutie pie. Are you in the bathtub? Oh.